How to compare before and after photos. First of all, open the app and select the photo you want to edit. After making adjustments using tools like light, color, effect or presets, you can quickly compare your changes. Long tap the edited photo and you will see the original version of your photo. Releasing the tab will return to the edited version, making it easy to see the difference between before and after. This feature is perfect for checking exposure, color correction, and overall edit. By comparing before and after, you can refine your adjustment, undo any changes if needed, and ensure your final photo looks exactly how you want. It's a simple yet powerful way to evaluate your editing work and achieve professional result. Now you know how to compare before and after photos in Adobe Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing and photo enhancement tips.